guys, we're back with another video, and today we're making corned beef and baked bean. And here are the list of ingredients. We have onion, tomato, red and green bell pepper, we have some hot pepper, and we have our tomato paste. I don't remember if I said black pepper, but we have some black pepper also. Let's get into this video, guys. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut out the seasoning we call it, but vegetables. I'm gonna cut out the onion, tomato, bell peppers. Need a fresh cutting board, guys. Every time I cut up something like this, a cutting board that left the mark, and I don't like it. So I think I'll get a black cutting board. Never pick board cutting board, but it's so heavy. Hard to use. That's how when I do whole heap of stuff, we use the cutting board. But like when I do a little kitchen stuff, and they're nice to cut cutting board for that. So onion, going to do tomato. Tomato is optional. You don't, because a lot of people don't like put tomato in them front. But for me, tomato and trouble me, so I work with it same way. Nice, it just smells so good. You know what? It smells like a sunflower stew. It will have a smell like stew chicken. But smell the whole place. Must be flavor, I guess. It smells good. Red bell pepper. I'm gonna show how this is, so I'm gonna do the one pepper first, and then we'll taste the butter and see. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and add some oil to the Dutch pot so we can fry up our vegetables. I'm supposed to add, so we're gonna go in with the onion, tomato, and pepper. Yeah. Let's start with this little. Alright, so while that thing there, we're going to put corned beef. So the corned beef, get the key off. There we go. Put down back the key. And then we just turn it. If you want to take off the paper, free to take off the paper. I never take off the paper then, we're not going to take off the paper now. I may never take off the paper. And then we just turn it until it reaches to the side where we stop. And that's it. And this is it. Alright. So I take this out of the tin. Alright, so we're just going to take it out and now we just push it up in like and pull it. Most of the time we just slide right out. And then we just cut it up. One thing, the one I don't have, when you slide it out, it's soft and nice enough to do this. But the one up here, so a summer now, and it will kind of hard. You know, when you go in a pot, it just give problem. So just take it out. Just slice it up. Right. And if you're true Jamaican, you know we always do this. We take out a piece and we have to name it. Alright, we're going to go add the bell pepper now. Make a space for the tomato paste. So add some tomato paste. Now make this fry a little. Okay. Alright, now we're going with the corned beef first. If you want to fry the baked bean first, you can also do that. But now fry the corned beef first. And then we'll add the baked bean to it. Alright, so now we have the baked bean here. A small one because we don't really like baked bean, but we're gonna use it because my daughter likes it. Not put too much in there, but we're gonna add some of this to the pot. I really want nothing, but I'll try this and see if we need any more. Go grab the black pepper. Look at the black pepper. And it spin it around. This is basically it. It's not a season them clench, but it's all good. This like nasty. Anyway, I make that do this about a minute or two and then lock it up.